Hello everyone! In this video we will show you how to use the sum function in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Why is it important? We want to work not only correctly but also efficiently. The sum function is the most used function in Excel. Of course, I'm not saying that each of us will use this function most often. I'm just saying that if I take 100 people and ask them what functions they use, 95 out of 100 will also say the sum function. I will show the standard use of the sum function so that we realize that the procedure has 4 points. First point, I will set myself to the cell where I want to get the result. Second point, on the Home tab in the Editing group box, I will put the AutoSum button. Third point, if necessary, I will select the cells that I want to sum. Fourth point, I will confirm with the Enter key. I can fill in for other regions. The sum function using a keyboard shortcut is also used using 4 points. First point, I set myself to the cell where I want to get the result. Second point, I insert the AutoSum function, this time using the Alt and equals sign shortcut. Third point, if necessary, I select the cells that I want to sum. Fourth point, I confirm with the Enter key. I can copy or fill in other cells. Since the sum function is one of the most used functions in Excel, it is important that we know how to do it quickly. The Alt key and equal sign shortcut will help us with this. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to your likes and comments. I invite you to subscribe to the channel.